Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Exam Master Academy. So in this video, I am going to tell you third semester entrepreneurship and startups chapter wise important questions for 2 markers, 5 markers and 15 markers. It is useful for all universities question paper. Let's see Unit 1 Introduction to Entrepreneurship. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one define entrepreneur. Second one what is entrepreneurship. Third one mention any two functions of the entrepreneur. Fourth one state two factors of affecting entrepreneurship development. Fifth one what is social entrepreneurship. Sixth one define entrepreneurship. Seventh one mention any two differences between entrepreneur and entrepreneur. Eighth one what is economic development. Ninth one list two legal compliance required to start a business. 10th one question what is budgeting. These all are for important for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one explain the concept and significance of entrepreneurship. Second one discuss the economic significance of entrepreneurship. Third one explain the factors influencing entrepreneurship development. Fourth one differentiate between entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. Fifth one explain the process of entrepreneurship development. Sixth one discuss market and legal aspects involved in the setting up and enterprise. Seventh one explain the social entrepreneurship with examples. These all are for important for 5 markers questions. Let's see 15 markers questions. First one explain entrepreneurship in detail and discuss its role in economic development. Second one describe the process of entrepreneurship development and the steps involved in setting up an enterprise. Third one question discuss the concept, importance and types of entrepreneurship. Let's see fourth question. A young graduate wants to start a small manufacturing unit. Analyze the entrepreneurial process, challenges and compliance requirements involved. Let's see Unit 2 Theories of Entrepreneurship. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one who proposed the innovation theory. Second one what is Schumpeter's theory of entrepreneurship. Third one name the theory associated with the need for achievement theory. Fourth question what is risk bearing theory. Fifth one define X efficiency theory. Sixth one who proposed economic theory and entrepreneurship. Seventh one what is Kirjan's theory. These are all important for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one explain Schumpeter's innovation theory. Second one describe McClelland theory of high achievement. Third one explain Knight's risk bearing theory. Fourth one discuss Heisen's theory of entrepreneurship. Fifth one explain Cochrne's theory entrepreneurship. Sixth one describe the Kirchner theory of entrepreneurship. These are all important for 5 markers questions. Let's see 15 markers questions. First one explain in details various theories of entrepreneurship. Second one critically analyze the Schumpeter's innovation theory. Third one compare and construct economic and psychological theories of entrepreneurship. Let's see question number 4. An entrepreneur introduced a disruptive product in the market. Fourth one question entrepreneur introduced a disruptive product in the market. Explain this situation using Schumpeter's innovation theory. Let's see Unit 3 Entrepreneurship Development Programs. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one what is EDP? Second one state two objectives of EDPs. Third one name any two government institutions of promoting entrepreneurship. Fourth one what is PMMY? Fifth one expand SIDB. Sixth one what is Mudra loan. Seventh one what is the role of NGOs in the EDPS. These all are important for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one explain the objectives of the importance of EDPS. Second one discuss the role of central and state governments in the entrepreneurship development. Third one explain the role of NGOs is promoting entrepreneurship. Fourth one describe the functions of SIDB and NSIC. Fifth one explain PMMY and its benefits. Sixth one discuss the role of DICs in entrepreneurship development. Let's see 15 markers question. First one, explain entrepreneurship development programs and their role in economic growth. Second one, discuss various institutions and schemes promoting entrepreneurship in India. Third one, evaluate the effectiveness of government schemes in promoting startups. Fourth question, a rural woman entrepreneur avails Mudra loan to start a business. Analyze the role of EDPS and financial institutions in her success. Let's see Unit 4 Startups. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, define startup. Second one, what is lean startup. Third one, what is market validation. Fourth one, what is design thinking. Fifth one, name any 2 stages of startup. Sixth one, what is Startup India. Seventh one, define angel investor. Eighth one, what is incubation. These are important for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one, explain the meaning and characteristics of the startups. Second one, discuss the role of startups in economic growth. Third one, explain principle of learn startup. Fourth one, describe stages of a startup. Fifth question, explain the Startup India scheme and its benefits. Sixth one, differentiate between entrepreneurship and startup. Seventh one, explain the concept of crowdfunding. Let's see 15 markers questions here. First one, discuss the startups in detail and explain their role in economic development. Second one, explain the startup life cycle and challenges in each stage. Third question, describe the government policies and schemes supporting startups in India. Fourth one, a tech startup struggles with the market uncertainty and funding issues. Suggest suitable strategies like learn startup, incubation, and angel investment. Let's see Unit 5 Animal Metaphors and Unicorns. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, what is unicorn startup? Second one, define decacorn. Third one, what is a minicorn? Fourth one, what is a phonics startup? Fifth one, name any 2 Indian unicorns. Sixth one, what is a zebra startup? Seventh one, define Gazelle company. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one, explain the concept of unicorn startup. Second one, discuss the types of unicorn. Third one, explain animal metaphors used in startup. Fourth one, describe the growth of unicorns in India. Fifth one, explain the objectives of Huron Indian Unicorn Index. Sixth one, differentiates between unicorn, decacorn, and hetacorn. Let's see 15 markers questions here. First one, explain animal metaphors in startups and their significance. Second one, discuss the development of unicorns in India. Third one, explain the role of innovation and funding in building unicorn. Fourth question, an Indian startup achieves unicorn status within 5 years. Analyze the factors, funding stages, and growth strategies in it involved. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, share, and comments. These questions, important questions for all universities like BCom, BBA, and MBA students. Thanking you.